Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. It's Keytron here. We have a gentleman that sent me a couple of these Ace tool locks. I've seen them before. Big old 70mm honking thing. We're going to see what it takes to get in it. We've got our Covert Companion Pro here. And we pull out, let's see what we got. That's 50 thousandths. Let's see what 50 thousandths. It may fit in there. Yeah, it did. It fit in there just fine. And we'll pull out a short pick. We'll start at the back, work our way. I don't know if you can see that or not. And it's open. And we've got another one here. We'll do the same thing. We'll see what it takes to get it open. They are not keyed alike. They're both different. So let's see how easy this one is. Okay, another click. We're working through the pin stacks all the way to the front. Wasn't as easy to pop as the first one. Yeah, we'll reset. We'll go back. We'll start at the back. We're at the bottom of the keyway with this 50 thousandths. Like I say, these are big old massive locks. And he suggested that they might be difficult to get into. Nah, I've seen them before. And this one's not, well, there it goes. Yep. Now, you know, they both opened up fairly easy. So I'm going to try a little something different here. Let's see what else Covert Instruments has here. I wonder, how easy it might be to get into. Oops, I'll eventually find what I want here. It's right here. What I want is there all along. Let's jump over here. Yeah, there we go. Let's see how easy it might be to rake these things open. Same thing. No cigar there. Let's try this one. And, well, it did open. There it goes. Let's go back to the other one and see. Surely it'll open equally as fast. It didn't, but we'll see what happens now. Yep, there it goes. Not much to it. We just didn't get lined up the first time. Let's do that one more time. And we have it open again. Really wasn't much to that. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. I am Keytron.